Hello, Willie Stoltz here, used truck sales manager for Industrial Power Truck and Equipment. Today we're going to be doing a walk around on this 2020 Hino 195. It is a 19.5 GVW truck. But before we jump into that walk around, I want to make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. So every time we put new equipment on, you'll be notified and you can go and check out what we're putting on. We bring our trucks in from our leasing department or from our customers' trade-in, which this one come through. We do a 150-point check. We go through the cabs, bodies, lift gates. Any discrepancies that are found, we run them through our medium-duty shop and our body shop. Once that's done, we do a QC on them, test drive, get them cleaned up and online for you to take a look at. As we said, this is a 2020 195, and on top of that 150-point check, we have done the engine oil filter, fuel and air filters have been done, and this truck does have a brand new DPF filter, so this thing's fully serviced and ready to go, and it still has some engine and powertrain warranty left on it. Let's take a look at the inside of the truck real quick. As we climb into the truck, plenty of grab handles, get in. We've got a nice suspension captain seat for the driver. We got a two-person bench seat in here. We got that great outward visibility and the upward visibility. With it being a cab over truck, the axle's under the truck, so it gives you a smaller profile and a shorter wheelbase, make it easier to get around in parking lots and traffic, even with the same size body as a conventional. We've got the AM/FM CD player, air conditioner, cruise control. And this particular truck also has power and heated large mirrors, so your driver can adjust the mirrors from the driver's seat. Make a good safety option on it. And being a 2020 truck, you can look at this thing, it's very well maintained, cleaned, and ready for you guys to get in and start making you money with. Let's take a look at the business into the truck real quick. A lot of people aren't aware of this, but Hino is Toyota's commercial truck. So when you purchase a Hino, you're getting Toyota's dependability and reliability that they're known for worldwide. We have a 20-foot 96 wide flatbed on this truck. It's got a composite floor in it. It's got a 4-foot toolbox on the body. And on this particular truck, it does have the stake pockets on the side. So if you did need stakes, we could have those installed very easily. We've got a really nice 2,000-pound tuckaway lift gate on the back of this truck. It's 72 wide, 36 inches deep. Lift gate works really good, meets up at the top just like it should. Comes down really nice. Here at Industrial Power, a lot of customers come in looking for delivery trucks mainly. Besides the big 26, 24 down delivery trucks, box trucks, we also are starting to get some more vocational trucks like this flatbed here. And even though this is a flatbed, we can still take and wrap this cab with your name, design, graphics, and phone number, turn into that fuel money to advertise money while your guys are driving down the road. Again, a really nice 2020 Hino 195, 19.5 GVW, nice heavy GVW. You can go to our website, iptruck.com, our Facebook page, and go ahead and make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, so every time we put new equipment on, you'll be notified. Stick with us for a minute. We're going to tilt the cab on this truck, start it up, and give you a little bit more intimate walk around to the truck. And as always, we do appreciate your time.